Can the HDFC Life Smart Pension Plus plan ensure your golden years are truly golden without the stress of financial uncertainty? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. So now before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is this policy is about. This is a non-linked, non-participating individual group annuity savings plan, and some of the key features of this policy are: this is a plan designed to suit both single and joint life needs, and there are flexible payout options to receive your annuity income, which can be monthly, quarterly, half yearly or annually, and you also get guaranteed annuity income for life with a single premium or limited payment term, and you have the choice to choose between immediate annuity or deferred annuity options, and you have the option to delay your annuity payouts as well by selecting a deferment period which is convenient to you. And there are 4 annuity variants to choose from, which are life annuity with return of a percentage of total premiums paid, and next is life annuity with yearly return, and increasing annuity. So there are 4 annuity variants for you to choose from. Now let us take a look at the advantages and disadvantages of investing in a policy like this. So the advantages are: in the event of the policyholder's death, the nominee here can utilize the annuitization provision, and this policy also includes the NPS, which is a family income option for NPS subscribers, and you as a policyholder have the option to receive your lump sum by opting for reduced annuity payment and benefits. And the advanced annuity option of this policy enables the policyholder here to withdraw the present value of the annuity for the next 1 to 5 years as a lump sum in advance. So these are some of the advantages of this policy. Now let's take a look at the disadvantage. So the annuity option of this policy, once chosen at inception, can't be changed during the policy term. So that is highly inconvenient for maybe some policyholders. And another disadvantage here is the annuity you get here is fully taxable. So the plan also can only be surrounded. So this policy can only be surrendered only on the specified period they have mentioned. So that's also a potential drawback, and there is no yearly step-up annuity here to beat inflation. So these are also some of the major advantages of investing in a policy like this. You need to carefully consider these factors before deciding to invest in it. Now, as we have a basic understanding of this policy, let's move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to evaluate the internal rate of return, which means the IRR of this policy, using the figures given in the HDFC Life Smart Pension Plus Plan policy brochure. Because no matter the advantages and benefits a policy might offer you, what matters at the end of the day is the returns you get in your hand. That's why we are going to calculate the IRR of this policy using the HDFC Life Smart Pension Plus Plan maturity calculator. So just for example purpose, let us consider a 60-year-old male has invested 10 lakhs in this policy and selects option B, which is the life annuity with return of 100% of total premiums paid. So the policyholder here opts to receive an annual annuity of 63,200 rupees for life starting immediately. Since it's a lifetime annuity, we assume a life expectancy of 85 years in this scenario. So at the age of 85, the purchase price is returned to the nominee. So based on this cash flow, the IRR of this policy is calculated to be 6.21%. So while the HDFC Life Smart Pension Plus Plan provides a reliable income stream during retirement, it lacks liquidity since the invested amount is locked in. Moreover, the annuity amount remains fixed throughout the individual's lifetime, making it vulnerable to inflation over time. So in summary, the HDFC Life Smart Pension Plus Plan offers a moderate rate of return but is limited by its lack of liquidity and inability to provide inflation adjusted income. So what we are going to do is, for retirees seeking a regular income stream, we are going to explore several alternatives which can offer us better returns and liquidity. So let's first explore some fixed income options available. So the returns mentioned in the screen are of November 2024. So banks fixed deposits is a safe investment option which is provided by bank, offering a guaranteed interest rate for a specified period. So here the expected returns could be 6 to 7% annually. So Senior Citizen Savings Scheme, SCSS, is a government backed scheme designed especially for senior citizens, ensuring regular interest payouts. Here the expected returns are 8.20% annually. So the RBI floating rate bonds is a bond which is issued by the government with interest rate linked to the National Savings Certificate NSC rate, which offers biannual payout, which has an expected return of 8.05% annually, but it could be a little bit fluctuating. So these alternatives provide us with better returns and liquidity compared to the HDFC Life Smart Pension Plus plan. However, they also lack inflation adjusted income because they do not adjust with inflation over the years, which can only be achieved by incorporating equity into your investment portfolio. So we have come up with an investment strategy that combines fixed income instruments with equity to optimize returns and combat inflation using the same 10 lakh corpus from that HDFC Life Smart Pension Plus example. So here in this strategy, what we are going to do is we are going to take 6 lakhs for equity allocation, which can generate wealth for us with an assumed return of 12%, while the remaining 4 lakhs portion is allocated to debt, which can provide us with regular income with an assumed return of 6%. So the strategy here is to withdraw an initial annual amount of 63,200 rupees, increasing it by 6% every 5 years to keep up with inflation. Next, rebalance the portfolio every 5 years by replenishing the debt portion from equities growth. And the final step is to stop rebalancing at the age of 71 and fully shift your assets to debt. So fully transfer the amount to debt instruments instead of keeping it in equity. So what will be the outcome? By age 85, this investment strategy leaves a surplus corpus of 16.5 lakhs, significantly higher than the return of premium offered by the HDFC Life Smart Pension Plus plan. So what could be the benefits you can get from this investment strategy? Number one, it ensures you regular income throughout your retirement. Number two, it adjusts withdrawals to combat inflation, maintaining your retirement lifestyle. And also third, it allows the retirement corpus to outlive you. This approach demonstrates how a balanced allocation of 60:40 ratio between equity and debt with periodic rebalancing can outperform fixed return annuity plans. So adjustments can be made to suit individual preferences and risk tolerance. So now what is the final verdict on HDFC Life Smart Pension Plus plan? This plan offers you a variety of annuity options for retirees, allowing flexibility in choosing features such as immediate or deferred payouts, single or limited pay, return or no return of premium, and single or joint life coverage according to the policyholder's convenience. So while all these options may seem appealing to you, a closer examination of the potential returns reveals us that the returns here are typically more moderate than those of debt instrument. So while providing a steady income stream for life is a key feature, it shouldn't be the sole factor in choosing the HDFC Life Smart Pension Plus plan. The plan's lack of liquidity and absence of inflation adjusted income are major drawbacks that can erode the value of a fixed income over time, and it also has a high agent commission. So what you can do instead is, for regular income as a retiree, you can explore other fixed income securities that offer higher returns and greater liquidity. And to address your inflation concern during retirement, you can incorporate equity into your investment portfolio, which is essential as well.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.